স্কুল ট্রিপল লাইনের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আজকে আমরা সাইবার সিকিউরিটি অনলাইন ট্রেনিং প্রোগ্রামের দ্বিতীয় চ্যাপ্টার। আমরা প্রথমে দুইটা ভিডিও অলরেডি দেওয়া হয়ে গেছে। আজকে আমরা পার্সোনাল ডাটা আমরা আলোচনা করেছি টপিকগুলো, এগুলোর ভিডিও অলরেডি আপলোড দেওয়া আছে, ওখান থেকে দেখে নিতে হবে। সো আজকে আমরা আলোচনা করব সেকেন্ড চ্যাপ্টারের অর্থাৎ 1.2। এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি অর্গানাইজেশনাল ডাটা। সো আজকে আমরা অর্গানাইজেশনাল ডাটা সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করব। টাইপ অফ অর্গানাইজেশনাল ডাটা। ট্র্যাডিশনাল ডাটা। Corporate data includes personal information, intellectual properties, and financial data. The personal information includes application materials, payroll, offer letters, employee agreements, and any information used in making employment decisions. Intellectual property such as patents, trademarks, and new product plans allows a business to gain economic advantage over its competitors. These intellectual properties can be considered a trade secret. Losing this information can be destroyed for the future of the company. The financial data such as income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement for a company gives insight into the health of the company. So প্রথমে আমরা ট্র্যাডিশনাল ডাটা সম্পর্কে একটু জানতে পারলাম। এখন আমরা ইন্টারনাল অফ থিংস অ্যান্ড বিগ ডাটা। ইন্টারনেট অফ থিংস অ্যান্ড বিগ ডাটা। উইথ দ্য emergency of the Internet of Things IoT, there is a lot more data to manage and secure. IoT is a large network for physical objects such as sensor and equipment that extend behind the traditional computer network. All those connections plus the fact that we have expanded store capacity and storage service through the cloud and virtualization lead to the exponential growth of data. This data has created a new area of interest in technology and business called big data, with the velocity, value, and variety of data guaranteed by the IoT and the daily operation of business. The confidentiality, integrity, and availability for this data is vital to the survival of the organization. So type of organizational data के दुईटा कैटेगरीते भाग करा हुए ट्रेडिशनल डाटा and Internet of Things and Big Data. Then আমরা আলোচনা করব CIA trade, availability, confidentiality, integrity. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability, known as the CIA trade figure 1.1, is a guideline for information security for an organization. Confidentiality ensure the privacy of the data by restricting access, authentication, encryption. Integrity assures that the information is accurate and trustworthy. Availability ensures that the information is accessible to authorized people. Confidentiality. Other term for confidentiality would be privacy. Company policies should restricted access to the information to authorized personnel and ensure that only those authorized individuals view this data. The data may be compartmentalized according to the security and sensitivity level of the information. For example, Java program developers should not have access to the personal information of all employees. Furthermore, employees should receive training to understand the best participate in safeguarding sensitive information to protect themselves and the company from attacks. Method to ensure confidentiality include data encryption, user ID and password two-factor authentication, and minimizing expose of sensitive information. Integrity is a accuracy, consistency and trustworthiness of the data during its entry life cycle. Data must be unaltered during transit and not exchanged by unauthorized entities. File permission and user access control can prevent unauthorized access. Version control can be used to prevent accidental change by unauthorized user. Backup must be available to restore any corrupted data, and checksum hashing can be used to verify integrity of the data during transfer. A checksum is used to verify the integrity of files or strings of the characters after they have been transferred from one device to another across your local network or the internet. Checksums are calculated with a hash function. Some of the common checksums are MD5, SHA1, SHA256 and SHA512. A hash function uses a mathematical algorithm to transform the data into fixed length value that represents the data as shown in figure 2. The hashed value is simple, therefore comparison from the hashed value. The original data cannot be retrieved directly. For example, if you forget your password cannot be recovered from the hashed value. The password must be reset. After the file is downloaded, you can verify its integrity by verifying the hash value from the source with the one you generated using any hash calculator. By comparing the hash value, you can ensure that the file has not been tampered with or corrupted during the transfer. Availability: maintaining equipment, performing hardware repairs, keeping operating system and software up to date, and creating backup ensure the availability for the network and the data to the authorized user. Plans should be in place to recover quickly from natural or man-made disaster. Security equipment or software such as firewall guard against downtime due to attacks such as denial of service (DOS). Denial of service occurs when an attacker attempts to overwhelm a resource so the services are not available to the users. সো আমরা ল্যাব ক্লাসে যেগুলো প্র্যাকটিক্যালি দেখাবো সেগুলোর মধ্যে কিছু আমরা এখানে দেখব। দেখো, ইন দ্য ল্যাব ইউ